Moral of the story, theme and inside out and back again. Hello, readers. Here are the sentence stems for those that want them up front. Ha's mother has responded to economic pressure by. One of the themes of inside out and back again might be that when people are in trouble, they should. You may choose to write about inside out and back again or a choice book. Also, click reply to another student or me and use a transition word to build on their ideas about theme. Choose from the list here. I highlighted the two most likely to be helpful. You can choose one. Furthermore, another, not only but also, in addition to, moreover, additionally, likewise, similarly. How are you? We are so proud of you. Ignite. Remember the changes in Ha's life. Chunk into pieces, Ha has only ever known Saigon, the thrills of its markets, the joy of its traditions, and the warmth of her friends close by. But now the Vietnam War has reached her home. Ha and her family are forced to flee as Saigon falls, and they board a ship headed toward hope, toward America. Inside Out and Back Again is the moving story of one girl's year of change, dreams, grief, and healing. Written in rich, free verse poems, this moving tale follows a young Vietnamese girl as she leaves her war-torn homeland for America in 1975, but living in a new country isn't easy for Ha. She finds adapting to its strange customs ever challenging. My parents had no idea what 3 older brothers can do to the simple name Ha. Mother tells me they tease you because they adore you. She's wrong, but I still love being near her, even more than I love my papaya tree. I will offer her its first fruit every day. Chew on it. There is a Jamboard link below for these 2 questions. Good readers make connections between the story and their real life. Choose Ha's or a different character. How are you like the persona? I'm like the persona and that I also. And 2, how are you not like the persona? I'm not like the persona and that I have not. All right, use the Jamboard, click on the link. What is theme? The moral of the story or main message. Here are some theme examples. Ambition. Too much ambition leads to negative results. Self-destruction, envy, greed, neurosis, downfall. One needs ambition in order to succeed. Hard work can bring a great reward. We grow small trying to be great. Goals are dreams we convert to plans and take action to fulfill. Courage and fear, understanding feelings of cowardice, accepting a challenge leads to positive results. One can be courageous and cowardly at the same time. And courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the judgment that something else is more important than fear. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. And face your fears. Where fear is present, wisdom cannot be. I have not ceased being fearful, but I have ceased to let fear control me. Intentions. Actions speak louder than words. It's not the gift that counts. Don't cry over spilled milk. How does Ha's mother respond to needing money or economic pressure? For hints, look at the text. What does Ha's mother do? What is her schedule like? March 10th. Mother's Days on weekdays. Mother's a secretary in a Navy office, trusted to count out salaries in cash at the end of each month. At night, she stays up late, designing and cutting baby clothes to give to seamstresses. A few years ago, she made enough money to consider buying a car. On weekends, she takes me to market stalls, dropping off the clothes and trying to collect on last week's goods. Hardly anyone buys anymore, she says. People can barely afford food. Still, she continues to try. So 3, Ha's mother has responded to economic pressure by... All right, review. Big question theme. Main message or moral of the story. One of the themes of Inside Out and Back Again might be that when people are in trouble, they should. You may choose to write about Inside Out and Back Again or a choice book. Also, click reply to another student or me and use a transition word to build on their ideas about theme. Choose from the list here. I highlighted the 2 most likely to be helpful. You can choose one. Furthermore, another, not only but also, in addition to, moreover, additionally, likewise, similarly. This video shows how we can add to our ideas. Transitions in research writing. Research is just looking into things. Thank you, writers. Dr. Stocker. P.S. If you have questions, please email me. Use the spps.org one. 4, all questions answered well. 3, all questions answered well enough. 2, all questions answered, not always researched well. 1, all questions answered, but the answers do not work with the text. 0, no attempt. Please attempt. You can learn anything.